Let's have another drink, one for the road. We've still got so many miles to go. So pack up the van and let's head out. You know, it's just you and me on the road. And we don't need anything, it's all here on board. Packed from the tailgate, ceiling to floor. We don't need to rush, we go steady and sure. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home. Lift up the awning and light up the stove. It's 4 in the morning, too early to go. So brew up the coffee and burn all the toast. It's just you and me on the road. And let's have another hour laying in bed, wasting the time away, swinging the lead. We should get on, but let's stay here instead. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home. Shut all the curtains and close out the nights. We won't be leaving until it gets light. Close your eyes, darling, and lay down your head under these sheets in this rock and roll bed. Pull on your overcoat against the cold. The windows are drafty, the gaskets are old. The heater don't work, it just sits there and blows. It's just you and me on the road. And here's to the camper that never breaks down. And here's to the journey it takes us upon. A wave to the others as we go along. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. It's just you and me on the road. Heading home, heading home. Heading home, heading home. We're heading home.
I think most of y'all will relate to this. It's called Home Sweet Home in my RV. I'm at home wherever I go, living in my house of wheels. I can go wherever I want and do whatever I feel. Nothing can stand in my way to keep me from being free. I'm at home wherever I go, sweet home in my RV. It doesn't matter what kind of rig you own, from a pop-up to a Monaco, a Fleetwood, a Keystone, a Silver Airstream, Allegro to Winnebago. All that matters is that you're happy, and that's how you should feel. It could be in the shortest teardrop all the way to the longest fifth wheel. I'm at home wherever I go, living in my house of wheels. I can go wherever I want and do whatever I feel. Nothing can stand in my way or keep me from being free. I'm at home wherever I go, sweet home in my RV. We can take all the time we want as we head down the open road. We can go places we've never been or see folks we already know. We can find whatever we need at Walmart or Flying J. We can go there to spend the night and then be on our way. I'm at home wherever I go, living in my house of wheels. I can go wherever I want and do whatever I feel. Nothing can stand in my way or keep me from being free. I'm at home wherever I go, sweet home in my RV. There's many challenges that we face while living in our motorhome. Some days can be adventurous, some days it all goes wrong. Like finding a leak in your gray water tank or see your AC cover flat on the road. But nothing compares to sitting on the shoulder, waiting for Good Sam to show. I'm at home wherever I go, living in my house of wheels. I can go wherever I want and do whatever I feel. Nothing can stand in my way or keep me from being free. I'm at home wherever I go, sweet home in my RV. We've got a few things to do when we get to our campsite. Plug in the power, push out the slides, and hook up the satellite. Connect the water, lower the jack so we can get that level right. These are just some of the things we do before we settle in for the night. I'm at home wherever I go, living in my house of wheels. I can go wherever I want and do whatever I feel. Nothing can stand in my way or keep me from being free. I'm at home wherever I go, sweet home in my RV. I'm at home wherever I go, sweet home in my RV. I know y'all related to that one, right? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, oh, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys a 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. Third boxcar, midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. Oh, worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies I have found. Short but not too big around. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. I know every engineer on every train, all of the children and all of the names, every handout in every town, in every lock that ain't locked when no one's around. I sing trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes, oh, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys an 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, by no means king of the road. Trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got Jackson was a pushing broom, buys an 8x12 bedroom. Mama might have means, by no means can road. Trailer for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pets.
On the road again, just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Road again, like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
Pittsburgh are rolling down that eastern seaboard. I got my diesel wound up and she's a-running like I never before. There's a speed zone ahead, well, all right. I don't see a cop in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. I got me 10 forward gears on a Georgia overdrive. I'm taking little white pills and my eyes are open wide. I just passed a Jimmy in a white. I've been passing everything in sight. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. But it seems like a month since I kissed my baby goodbye. I could have a lot of women, but I'm not like some of the guys. I could find one to hold me tight, but I could never make believe it's all right. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make it home tonight. ICC is a chicken. Rick's a little old, but that don't mean she's slow. There's a flame from her stack and that smoke's a blowing black as coal.
Since I was a young boy, boy, there's been one toy that I've always wanted back. A California camper van that I can drive right up onto the sand. And you're never alone when the road is your home, 'cause the stars are your ceiling. Oh, look at them glow. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just look at them glow. Yeah, yeah. No, I'm not coming home for the summer. So my right up onto the sand. And you're never alone when the road is your home, 'cause the stars are your ceiling. Oh, look at them glow. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just look at them glow. Yeah, yeah. No, I'm not coming home for the summer. Sold my house and I bought a VW. I got sand in my sheets 'cause my garden's the beach. No, I'm not coming home for the summer. Yeah, yeah. Come right up top with me and let's pretend it's 1963. I'll put the Beach Boys on your sing-along and get the words all wrong.